Oh, a wonderful day, beautiful. Wouldn't have missed this for the world, really. Because I'm a Great Western fan, I'm a railway enthusiast, and it's been a day to remember because I can't remember the last time there was steam on this section of line.
What is special about Great Western Railway?
God's wonderful railway. Probably because it was steeped in tradition, starting with Brunel and coming down through people like Hawksworth and that ilk. They've always had good engineers, as far as I'm concerned anyway. It's always been the top railway.